Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn on private browsing mode on Safari, or you can also call as Invicto mode. So in order to do that, you need to open your Safari application from the down bottom, and after opening Safari application, as you can see this button from the down right corner, you just need to tap once, and after tapping it once, as you can see it says one tap, and as you can see this private option, you just need to swipe left and from here you just need to click or tap the private button, and now you can browse anything without being public, or you can say in vector mode. So yeah, that's how you do it. You turn on private browsing mode on your Safari. Thanks for